Hello student, this is your mathematics class standard 6. Today I am going to start your chapter 9 which is percentage. First of all I give you the introduction about percentage. What is percentage? Percentage, the word percent is derived from a Latin word per centum which means by the hundred. Thus percent means out of 100 or for every 100. Percent is denoted by the symbol. This is the symbol of percentage. Suppose we will write percentage in the short form PCT. Okay. Sometimes we are written only PC. Okay. So three things is very important in the percentage. First of all, percentage sign which is already I given. Second PCT and the third one is PC only. Now move to exercise 9.1. Question number 1. Number 1 is given 75 marks out of 100 marks is dash percentage. 1A 75 marks. Suppose in your quarterly exam, in mathematics exam 75 marks you got out of 100. So how to find out the percentage? Similarly 75 by 100 multiply with 100. 100 we will cut in the same table. Your answer will be 75 percentage. Again I repeat, 75 by 100 multiply with 100. 100 we will cut in the same table and your answer will be 75 percentage. Question number B, which is given 10 pens out of 100 pens. Suppose in a shop is total 100 pens is there and only you will buy 10 pens. How can find out the percentage? Simply 10 by 100 multiply with 100. Clear? 100 we will cut in the same table. Your answer will be 10 percentage. Clear? C number, which is given 23% is equal to dash out of 100. Go with the same process. 23 by 100 will cut in the same table. 23% is your correct answer. Clear? D number, which is given 31% is equal to 31 out of. If we will find the percentage, simply we will find the percentage, it means your 31 out of 100%. Clear? We will find out of 100%. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is given express a number 40s as a percentage of 100s. I will repeat again, 40s as a percentage of 100s. What to do? Simply first of all you will write the solution 40 by 100. 40 by 100, because here we will find the percentage, so multiply with 100. You will write here multiply with 100. 100 we will cut in the same table. Your answer will be 40%. Clear? B number, which is given 14 kg as a percentage of 50 kg. 14 kg as a percentage of 15 kg. What to do? Simply first of all write the solution. Okay, 14 by 50 multiply with 100. 40 by 50 multiply with 100. Okay, in 50 table 100 will come how many times? Only 2 times. In 15 table 100 will become 2 times. Okay, so your answer will be 14 multiply with 2 is equal to 28%. Clear? Now move to question number C, which is given rupees 210 as a percentage of rupees 1260. Clear? Rupees 210 as a percentage of rupees 1260. Solution 210 by 1260 multiply with 100. Okay, first of all you can see, no, this is not the way. Simple way we will go. 0 0 given in the same place. up and down we will cut. Okay, 0 0. 21 table 126 will become 6 times. So 21 1 is 21, 21 6 are 126. Okay, now 6 and 100 we will cut in 2 tables. 2 3 are 6, 2 50s are. Okay, so is equal to 50 by 3. Now change the mixed number because 50 by 3 is given in the fraction, so we will change the mixed fraction. 3 16 ja 48 plus 2 is equal to 50 by 3 is your correct answer. Clear? This is your method. D number is also given 18 gram as a percentage of 1 kg. Gram and kg is different, so gram first of all change into the kg and then go with the same method. Question number 3 is given, what percentage of rupees 550 is rupees 50? Again I repeat, what percentage of rupees 550 is rupees 50? So first of all you write 50 by 550 multiply with 100. 0 0 same place we will cut. 5 table 5 1 ja 5, 5 11 ja. So 1100 by 11 is your fraction given. Now change the mixed number. 11 9 ja 99 plus 1. 100 by 11 is your correct answer. Understood? Now move to question number 4. Question number 4 is given, in a class of 70 students. How many students? 70 students. 45 students pass a mathematics test. Only 45 students are passed in a mathematics test. What is the passing percentage of the student? We will find the passing percentage of the student. First of all we will write total student in a class is equal to total students in a class is equal to 70. Now next we will write number of students passed in a mathematics test is equal to 45. Okay, simply 45 past student, total student given 70, so by 70, because here we will find the percentage, so multiply with 100. Now go with the 5 table. 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Again 100 and 14 will cut in 2 table. 2 7s are 250s are. So 50 multiply with 9, 450 by 7. Now change in the mixed fraction. 7 64s are by 2. Sorry, whole 2. 64 2 by 7 percentage is your correct answer. Clear? Now question number 5 is given, find 45 percentage of 5000. Okay, 45 percentage. Here percentage sign is given, so 45 by 100 we will write here because percentage sign is given, so percentage sign is given means by 100. Okay, multiply with 5000. 0 0 we will cut. 45 multiply with 5. 2250 is your correct answer. 2250 is your correct answer. Now move to question number 6. Question number 6 is given, Sarad earned rupees 15,000. Total monthly income he have 15,000. He spent 30% of the amount earned on household expenses. 30% of money he will expend in the household work. 20% of the remaining amount on shopping, and save the rest one. What amount did he save? We will find here what amount did he save, because 30% he is spent in the household work, 20% for window shopping, and the rest of amount he saved. So first of all we will write monthly income of Sarad is equal to rupees 15,000. Clear? Now next we will write here, he spent 30% of household expenses is equal to, because total income given and how much he spent, 30%. So first of all we write 30 by 100, because percentage sign given, so by 100 multiply with 15,000. 0 0 we will cut. 15 3 is a 4500 he spent in household work. So what to do? Total income minus household expenses. Okay, total income is given 15,000 and he spent in the household expenses is equal to 4500. So first of all 15,000 minus 4500 is equal to 10,500 is your saving amount. Now next is given 20% he spent on the shopping. So we will write here, he spent 20% of shopping is equal to 20 by 100 multiplied with 10,500. Okay, 0 0 we will cut. So 10 into 20, 2100 rupees he done the shopping. Now the next what to do? We will go with the total amount minus, total amount is 10,500 and minus he spent in the window shopping, which is 2100, is equal to, we will subtract to 8400 he saved in every month. Okay, so this is your statement given. If you want to change your statement, you have to change yourself. I will go with the short method. Now go with the question number 7, which is find the number if its 26% is 234, which is 234. So what to do? Simply write solution. Let the number be x. Okay, because we will find the number. Okay, so simply, because question is given, find the number of its 26% is 234. So first of all we will let the number be x. X multiply with 26 by 100 is equal to 234, which is 234. So first of all we will take the LCM, multiply 26 multiply with x, 26x by 100. Now 26x is equal to 234 multiply with 100. Okay, now find the value of x is equal to 234 multiply with 100 by 26. In 26 table we will cut how many times? 9 times. So 9 multiply with 100, your x value will be 900. Question is given, find the number, so the number will be 900 because x value is given 900. Question number 8 is given, find the 12% of a number is 216. What is the number? The 12% of a number is 216. What is the number? So first of all we will write the statement 1% 216 by 12. Okay, 216 we will cut in 18 times, 12 table 18 coming 216. So 100% is equal to 18 multiply with 100. 1800 is your correct answer. Again I repeat, 1% is equal to 216 by 12, 12 table coming 18 times, so 100% is equal to 18 multiply with 100. So your answer will be 1800. Question number 9 given, Samir scored 90% marks in his annual examination out of a total of 600 marks. How many marks did he get? So you will write here total marks is equal to 600. Okay, marks scored is equal to 90%. of 600. So 90 by 100 multiply with 600. 100 table, 100 6. So 90 multiply with 6, 540 is your correct answer. So you will write he scored is equal to 540 marks. So student, today exercise 9.1 is complete. You will do in your notebook. Thank you.